Hey kiddos, let's learn about things we find in playground. Are you ready? Let's go. A seesaw is like a magical teeter-totter that goes up and down, up and down. It's one of the coolest things you can find at a playground. Seesaws are not just fun, they're also great for learning about cooperation and taking turns. Plus, they give you an awesome workout for your legs. A slide is like a speedy ramp that takes you on an awesome adventure. It's one of the best things you can find at a playground. To ride a slide, all you need to do is climb to the top, sit down and whee. Down you go, faster than a rocket. It's like flying without leaving the ground. So next time you're at the playground, don't forget to climb up and zoom down a slide. It's a blast. A swing is like a magical seat that lets you soar up high into the sky. It's one of the most exciting things you can find at a playground. To swing, all you need to do is grab hold of the chains or ropes, sit down and then whoosh, back and forth, like you're flying with the birds. It's like having your own wings. Swings aren't just fun. They're also great for feeling the breeze on your face and learning about balance. The monkey bars aren't just about solo adventures, they're also the perfect place to bond with friends. Challenge each other to see who can swing the farthest or work together to conquer the bars as a team. Embrace the spirit of the jungle as you hang, swing, and leap your way through the monkey bars. Surrounded by the beauty of nature, you'll feel like a true explorer as you navigate this thrilling obstacle course. Welcome to the sandbox, the ultimate play area where every grain of sand holds a new adventure waiting to be discovered. In the sandbox, there are no limits to what you can create. Let your imagination run wild as you sculpt castles, dig moats, and fashion masterpieces out of sand. Gather your friends and become the architects of your very own sand kingdom. With teamwork and creativity, you'll build the most magnificent sand castles the world has ever seen. The sandbox is the perfect place to bond with friends and make memories that last a lifetime. Share laughs, swap stories, and embark on sandy adventures together. The ball pit isn't just any ordinary playground feature, it's a realm of endless fun and adventure. With each jump and tumble, you'll feel the thrill of freedom and the exhilaration of exploration. Let your imagination run wild as you frolic amidst a sea of vibrant balls. Whether you're pretending to swim in an ocean of color or staging an epic ball battle with friends, the possibilities for play are as boundless as your imagination. Share the excitement with your buddies and make memories that will last a lifetime. From friendly competitions to cooperative games, the ball pit is the perfect place to bond with friends and create cherished moments together. Hop aboard our trusty spring horse and get ready for a ride like no other. With each gentle bounce, you'll feel the wind in your hair and the excitement in your heart as you gallop through the playground. As you ride the spring horse, let your imagination roam free across vast fields and rolling hills. Picture yourself on a grand adventure, racing through meadows and chasing after dreams. The spring horse isn't just a ride, it's a timeless playground tradition that has delighted generations of children. Join the ranks of playground adventurers and let the spring horse be your ticket to endless fun and excitement.